Today we will see how to add dynamic page number. Go to Text, Page Numbers. You can add page numbers in 3 formats. Just number, page plus number, page X of Y. Select pages on which you want to add the number. No, you don't have to adjust the position on each pages like this. Watch till the end. I will show you how. You can also easily remove page numbers. Just click on this Remove Page Numbers. See, all page numbers are removed. Now let's see how second format looks. This adds page in front of number. So it is page 1, page 2, and so on. Now let's see how last format looks. This adds page of number, so it is like page 2 of 4. Not just that, but it also applies the same properties such as color, font, and size. That is it. As simple as that. Like, share, and subscribe for more Canva tutorial tips and tricks.